The story of David and Goliath, from the Old Testament, tells of a young shepherd boy, David, who, armed with only a sling and stones, defeats the giant Philistine warrior, Goliath, in a single combat, saving the Israelites from a devastating defeat. Here's a more detailed account. The challenge. The Philistines, led by the giant Goliath, challenged the Israelites to a battle, with Goliath boasting that no one would dare to face him. David's courage. David, a young shepherd boy, volunteered to fight Goliath, despite the giant's immense size and armor. The battle. Goliath ridiculed David, but David, confident in his faith, faced the giant with a sling and stones. The victory. David skillfully threw a stone with his sling, striking Goliath in the forehead and causing him to fall. The aftermath. The Philistines, seeing their champion slain, fled in fear, and the Israelites rejoiced in their victory. David's legacy. David's victory cemented his reputation as a hero and foreshadowed his future reign as king of Israel.